Welcome to the world of Squarespace templates. In today's video, we will explore the importance of choosing the right template for your brand and goals. First up, let's dive into the Squarespace template library. Here's how to browse and filter your options effectively. Choosing the right template is crucial. Consider your brand identity, target audience, and the type of content you'll showcase. Templates are categorized for convenience. Let's break down the key categories: business, portfolio, e-commerce, and more. Now, onto customization. Squarespace offers essential features to make your template uniquely yours. Integrating your branding is key. Use your brand's colors, fonts, and images for a cohesive look throughout your site. Make sure your chosen template is responsive. This ensures your site looks great on all devices, from phones to desktops. Before you hit the launch button, let's go over the final steps to ensure everything is ready to go live. Congratulations on your launch. Now, let's talk about post-launch tips to keep your site updated and engaging. To recap, we've covered how to choose, customize, and launch your Squarespace site effectively. Thank you for watching.